Second conditional sentences. The second conditional is used to talk about unreal or hypothetical situations in the present or future. It often expresses imagined outcomes that are unlikely or impossible. Use cases. Use the second conditional when giving advice, imagining unlikely situations, expressing regrets. Structure. If plus past simple, would plus base verb. Example, if I were rich, I would buy a mansion. Important notes. In case of second conditional sentences, use were instead of was for all subjects in formal English. For example, if I were you, I would take the job. Is more correct rather than, if I was you, I would take the job. Practice sentences. If I dash, be, rich, I dash, buy, a mansion, answer will be, if I were rich, I would buy a mansion. If he dash, know, the answer, he dash, tell, us, answer will be, if he knew the answer, he would tell us, we dash, go, to the beach if it dash, be, sunny, answer will be, we would go to the beach if it were sunny. If you dash, have, wings, you dash, fly, anywhere, answer will be, if you had wings, you would fly anywhere. Like, share the video, and also, subscribe to the channel for more learning. Thank you.